What up and how you doing today? I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper. In this video, I'm gonna give you something for free that you actually would usually have to pay for in one of my bigger masterclasses. But I wanna nurture our relationship and show you exactly, I know some extra stuff. I'm gonna give you a cheat code to get 5 times the views and 2 times the subscribers.
Damn, he good.
With one individual trick for YouTube. Yeah. And remember, you grow on YouTube first because it's the biggest platform. It's where everybody is first. Then they translate to Spotify or wherever else you wanna send them. So when I say something about marketing YouTube, it's actually the most important because it's gonna move everywhere else, okay? Most artists don't know that and most artists don't think that, but you gotta understand marketing. I'm gonna give you this video for free today. And then at the end of this video, you can get a free cheat sheet for Spotify, 22 hacks cheat sheet, and I'm gonna give you the YouTube cheat sheet 100% free. The link is gonna be below. I talk too much, whatever. Let's give you this cheat codes, all right? I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper. Let's get into it. Okay, I really hope you're ready for this because this trick is something that I didn't realize for the longest time and then I was like, oh, what was I doing? Let's talk about this really quick. When you're putting this into your skippable in-stream ad, this URL right here does not have to be the same as the video that you're promoting. If you want them to go to any other place, when they click this, it could go to your Spotify. It's one of the tricks I have actually, because you may be getting a lot of clicks. We want to add it to a playlist. Okay, we'll send them to Spotify. Let's go. But what's happening here is you want to be able to send them somewhere else. Here's the trick. You don't want to send them to the video. You want to send them to the video in a playlist. So we want to put the playlist link right here. I don't know if you understand what this means. If they click to your video and they're already in the playlist, that means when they finish your song, it'll move to the next song automatically, chosen for them, in the order that you want them to watch it.
Yeah.
Genius is simple. It's simplicity. It took me forever to realize, wait a minute, what am I doing? I need to send them to the playlist. And honestly, I think I didn't think about it because I didn't think you would be allowed to. Because you can't even send somebody to a specific timestamp. I can't send them to start them 10 seconds, 15 seconds. You have to start from the beginning. So I'm thinking, probably in the back of my head, playlist. You can't send them to a playlist. Man, it is crazy different helpful, okay? Because what happens is they don't have to then go make the decision. You make the decision for them on the next song. And as we spoke about, to make them a super fan, what do? We put them in the exact order of songs that's gonna make them a super fan. That's why this is stupid powerful. Let me show you how to do this. Bam! On your channel, you should already have created your playlist, okay? So if I go to this playlist where it says original Rob Level music, it has a playlist with all my music in order, okay? And when you click it, this is what it looks like. And now that I'm running ads to it, well, actually I'm not even running ads to this. I did also test running people to this page. Just to be clear, this is the playlist page. This is not the link you want. I actually made the mistake in the beginning. I sent them to this playlist thinking it was gonna play the video, but no, it sends them to the playlist. And look, I got 15,000 people to this playlist in the last 10 days. So we go in here and we click the video now. We're actually gonna click the video from inside the thing, okay? So right click, open, or whatever, go to the video. It's gonna be a lot easier to do this on desktop. Now you're gonna notice here, what do you see, my friend? What do you see, my friend? Okay, you're gonna see this link. Look at that link. This link right here, that's the playlist link. Now you can remove, actually I wouldn't really even remove anything from this bad boy. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna highlight this, you're gonna right click it, you're gonna click copy. Now when we go back into here, the final URL will be this. Okay, you want to always put HTTPS, always put HTTPS, one more time. Always put HTTPS, let me move out the way, okay? You're gonna put the final URL here, and then you're gonna click HTTPS. Sorry, I almost blocked it. Press this button, which button? Sorry, my bad. Okay, now, after you type this in here, hold on, let me show you this real quick. If you type this in, if I put the copy paste that link in there and I click display URL, it'll actually automatically put it down and put it in that box. So now what's gonna happen when they click this, it's going to bring them straight to this. Okay, it's gonna bring them straight to this song. And look what happens here. As soon as this song finishes, it's gonna move them through the series of songs I want them to hear. Magic. Yeah. You might not have thought about that for 6 months if you ever even thought about it. Because honestly, it took me a year and a half to go, what am I doing? Okay, plus you're gonna get more subscribers, you're gonna get more super fans, you're gonna get more views for cheaper. They're already on your page, they're already showing the other videos. On top of that, if they're on desktop, look at this. What happens when they're in a playlist? If they click a video, what happens? Your videos are the first thing they see. What happens if they just click to the video like I was making the mistake of? It shows other people's videos. You don't want them seeing other people's videos mixed with your videos, they might leave. This is stupid. I don't know why it took so long to realize this, but this is tremendous. So put that playlist link. Create your playlist that you need for your channel anyway. Put the songs in there in order to gain superfans. Open the playlist, title it, giving them instructions, a CTA, a call to action on what to do. Please add a song on your playlist if you like it. Helps me a lot, okay? Put number 1, number 2, number 3. 3-step plan, my friend. Put these in order. Open the top one. grab this link, drop this mother bad boy right in here, and then you're gonna run the ads from there. Next, we're gonna talk about the call to action. Tremendously important. You have no clue. I figured out like the holy grail of the most clicks possible by testing literally well over 1,000. I'm not even kidding you, well over 1,000 to try to find the right one to get the best click. We're gonna talk about that next on the next episode. Let's go. All right, now that was a free video from my YouTube ads masterclass. It also comes with Spotify masterclass. Teach you how to do everything at once. You grow YouTube and Spotify at the same time. And that's what I show you how to do. Link is below for that. And if you don't want it, you just want to see a little bit more information, free cheat sheet below. I'm gonna give you 2 cheat sheets, the YouTube cheat sheet, and I'm gonna give you the 22 Spotify hacks cheat sheet. Okay, they're both yours. Just tell me where to send them. Link is below. Or go to musicindustryshortcut.com/hookup. All right, because I'm gonna hook you up. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Hit me with a subscribe. Hit me with a like. I hope this helps you out. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.
Chop it, break it, flip it, shit all day. Chop it, break it, shit, flip it all day. Chop it, break it down and flip it all day. Chop it, break it down and flip it all day. Chop it,